In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix lock screen display won't turn off on Samsung phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing is to adjust the always on display. The most common reason a screen appears on is the always on display feature. What we want to do is go over to settings, then go over to lock screen and AOD. So just go ahead and find that, go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see, always on display is currently on for me. So choose tap to show instead of always show or always scheduled because, you can just change it and it says when to show. Right now, mine's on tap to show, which is what mine should be on. Yours might be on always, which is what you don't want as well. And what you could do is go ahead and disable keep screen on while viewing. So your Samsung phone uses the front camera to detect your face. So if it thinks you're looking at the screen, it won't dim. So what you want to do is go back over to your normal settings page, then go ahead and find advanced features. Once you find it, go over to motions and gestures, and then go and toggle keep screen on while viewing and turn it off. After that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.